How to change pitch in CapCut. So if you have a project and you want to change the pitch of an audio that you have, if it's lower or higher, it's real easy to do. So go to CapCut. You can either create a new project or use a existing project. So I'm just going to use a project that I already have. Not that one. I'll use this one here. So what you want to do, if your audio is not separated already and it's embedded in the video that you have, all you have to do is click the video source and then scroll all the way over at the very bottom until you see where it says extract audio. So go ahead and hit that. And now you see that the audio is separated from the video clip. So go ahead and click the audio file here. And what you're going to see is some options here at the very bottom. And go ahead and click audio effects. So what this is going to do is it's going to give you a lot of different filters and effects that you can do with your audio. But if you want to change the pitch, all you really have to do is focus on the low setting here and the high setting down there. So we can choose low, and then you'll be able to adjust the pitch to a lower setting or to a higher setting if you chose that as well. And then you would just go ahead and hit check, and then the audio would play with the effects on it, and you would hit export and export your file like you normally would. So that's how you would go about changing your pitch in CapCut.